Guys, what is up? We're back at our dad's house, and they shut up, birds. The birds will not shut up. Shut up. Josh has a bird over there right now. It's flying away. Shut up. Shut up, you little.
Alright, guys. So I accidentally got the wrong bird.
Shut up. Shut up.
So far, I'm gonna try and grab a bird that doesn't bite.
Grab Freckles.
Freckles.
I'll show you. Freckles has the big dots. Big dots. Nope, wrong one.
The middle one?
No, here. No, he has the big giant dots. He's all the way over there. You see him? Yellow head. Yellow head. Yeah. Josh is pretty much getting Freckles right now, or another bird that won't bite, which all of them bite. Don't grab Taco. Only if you don't grab Taco. Taco's mean. Sure. And then some Titus. I think Titus bit me the other day.
Got one.
Hey, shut that. Look. Taco? No. Taco's green-headed. He's a butthole. He bites people. No bitesies. No bitesies. I think you were the one who bit me. Shut up! I think you were the one who bit me the other day. Yeah, you bit me last night and this morning. You bit me this morning.
Get this on film, ma'am.
We got
Hey, pretty bird.
I think you're the one who bit me. Yeah, you bit me. You bit me this morning. He bit me yesterday and this morning. Shut up! Freckles! Freckles! I think he's on the top right there. Sam? Yeah, him. I think that's it. Freckles is nice. We've been trying to catch a bird all day. They're so mean. Freckles! Pretty bird, pretty bird, pretty bird. They like that. Pretty bird. Yeah, you're such pretty birds. Pretty. I'm going to say it loud. Pretty bird, pretty bird. Yeah, you're good birdies now when you won't shut up. You're mean.
Oh, they're nibbling on my fingers.
Okay, just grab one.
I'm trying to. Trying to grab Freckles.
Because I want to hold Freckles. Freckles is not mean. Freckles is nice. Come on, Freckles. Yay!
Got Freckles.
Josh, can you hold the camera while I hold Freckles? Freckles.
Take a look at Freckles, guys.
Freckles.
Say hi, Freckles.
Hi, Freckles.
Oh, he has a bit of French fry on his beak.
Oh, yeah. You like that French fry, don't you?
Hi, pretty bird.
You like that French fry. Yeah, they've been eating French fries. We put French fries up there. Hi, Pretty Bird.
Here. How much battery is your tablet at?
I don't know.
Check.
It won't let me. 7%.
You have a bit of time. Unplug it.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. This is my first rodeo.
Okay, so.
All right, bring it over here. Show them all the fries.
So we've got our fries here. Here, Freckles.
Hi,
Freckles. Hey. Yeah. Good, Freckles.
That's good.
Here,
Freckles.
I'm going to set this up to where they can see them.
Okay, Freckles.
Hold on, guys. I'll get you a good angle in a minute of all the birdies.
Who's a good Freckles? Are you a good Freckles?
Josh, here. I'm gonna hold Freckles. Josh, can you hold the camera while I hold Freckles?
Take Freckles. Careful with his neck. Careful with his neck. There's Freckles.
Freckles! Yay! Don't bite me! Don't bite me! Ben, don't bite me!
Hi there, Freckles. Oh, who's a good Freckles?
Yeah, you don't bite as much. Unless you're hungry. Here.
Here, I'll get him. Here you go.
Yeah! Good Freckles! Yeah! You good Freckles?
You ready to put him back?
You wanna try and grab Taco?
No. How dumb do you think I am? You ready to go back, Freckles?
Yeah, you don't bite as me.
Come on.
You're
go.
not as...
Let him go.
Taco!
Where's Taco?
Taco's right there. He's
You need to do better on your settings, Em.
Taco's a big
Because
ball.
look how dark it is down there.
I don't know how to do that.
Alright, here you go.
Okay, so all the birdies are here. They're mean.
Hey, pretty bird.
Taco is green-headed.
And is he mean?
Yeah, he's mean. He's mean.
I see Freckle down there. Hey, Freckle. What are you
Taco!
doing?
Taco!
Mean?
Taco!
Mean?
Right there!
Taco?
Yeah,
Is
there's
that Taco
Taco.
right there? Is he
Taco.
mean?
Yeah, he's mean. You didn't know that? He bit Dad.
Try pudding.
Man, these birds are... Hey, we'll make a video of us, like, we'll make a memory video because, you know, the only way we can make a video of us feeding them is if we get Dad and Carmen in the shot, and I'm just going to keep that for memory so I can show Mom how we feed the birdies. And
Here, give me a
Titus better not bite me again, or you're dead. Yeah, hi, Birdie. We want to get rid of Taco.
Here, move. I'm
Don't grab Taco.
not gonna grab Taco.
Thank you. Because Taco's
Come
a
on,
good
guys.
Oh, there's Taco. How do you like?
Hey, no, Mike. They like me.
It's like,
They like me.
how come it's so like,
They
you know?
love me.
How do you get it dark? How do you get it lighter? Okay, guys, we're gonna end this video here, and I'm gonna make another one.
Circle.
Okay. See you
Here,
guys
give me a
next
quick
time.
minute.